I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 27th day of July, the dead of summer, hottest week of the year traditionally, end of July, 1st of August. And heat not that bad today compared to recent days. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, coming from Birmingham, beautiful shot of the developing cumulus clouds. Those things are towering on this summer day. That's looking east from the Daniel Building. From Auburn, down in Lee County, looking back over toward Jordan-Hare Stadium, pretty much the same deal, a lot of cumulus there. And we'll go way down south. Look at Gulf Shores, everybody getting back in the water, no oil. Oil well is capped, the oil shrinking up in the Gulf, dispersing nicely, so things are looking so much better for the Alabama Gulf Coast, and it's a beautiful, sunny, late July day. Water vapor satellite shot, ridge is here. Upper level low that's over Texas, west of Abilene. And underneath that, some pretty decent moisture. There's a look at the precipitable water. And you can see that we're over 2 inches here, 2.1 over much of the state, even higher totals over Louisiana. But that high moisture has certainly helped in the development of showers and storms. And a lot of that was brought up in here by the system formerly known as Tropical Storm Bonnie a few days ago. And yeah, the heat's down. Look at there. Birmingham 89 at 2 o'clock. Tuscaloosa 92. Anniston, a nearby shower there. They've got 84. And a lot of rain. We've had a lot of rain the last couple of days. If you pool all the rain in the last 3 or 4 days, the topsoil statewide is in pretty good shape, and that tends to keep the heat down. There's the radar at 2:31. There are showers in Jefferson County around Birmingham. Some over East Alabama. The most widespread heavier storms are over west central Alabama, specifically parts of Sumter, Greene, Marengo, Hale, Dallas, and Wilcox counties. Not moving much. That means some folks getting heavy amounts of rain. Convective outlook, rest of today, got a slight risk to the east over Georgia and the Carolinas, but any storm really around here later today or this evening could pack a punch. Slight risk up north over parts of the upper Midwest tomorrow. Got a slight risk for parts of the Great Lakes. And on day 3, which is Thursday, slight risk way up north. QPF chart, they all look alike this time of the year. Again, trying to determine who gets how much rain, it's impossible. That's kind of a smoothed outlook between now and Sunday morning at 7. 1 inch on the Tennessee Valley, a ½ inch down south, but some spots could get a lot more than that in just 30 minutes, we all know. And the tropics are awfully quiet. We do note a wave emerging off the coast of Africa and a couple of weak waves around the Atlantic, but at this point, no sign of any organization. Check the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. 594 ridge, a little stronger, so tomorrow could be a little hotter. Showers a little more scattered. Down below that, the surface high is near New Orleans, and again, looks like a very typical summer day. Partly sunny, a few showers and storms could pop up in the afternoon, but they'll be pretty widely spaced. Thursday, the core of the heat ridge begins to move a little to the west, and note that trough over the northeast, and that's going to try and push a surface boundary down here. There's a look at Thursday, and the surface boundary is up near the Ohio River, still pretty far north, but enough moisture for a few scattered showers and storms. And then Friday, you can see how the heat ridge is squeezed off to the west. And down below that, the GFS tries to bring that boundary all the way down to Montgomery. I don't buy that. I mean, come on now. That's, July 30th, Friday. Fronts can make it that far, but they don't happen that often. But we'll lean toward a drier forecast, lower dew points, lower humidity. But the heat will be up, if that's the case, maybe upper 90s. The net result, it'll feel about the same because the air should be drier. And then Saturday, the front fizzles out. There could be a shower, but probably nothing widespread. And there's Sunday, again, rain not looking especially likely, but no doubt there could be a shower or storm somewhere. Highs for the weekend, probably mid-90s. Monday of next week, 594 heat right over us. Not much below that, and pretty much the same deal on Tuesday. That thing covers much of the nation. Could be pretty hot early next week. But hey, we're tough. We're used to it. Let's dig deeper. Let's look at April. Would that be nice? August the 12th, into the forecast. Primary jet stream up on the Canadian border. And again, down below that, Not much happening down here. That looks very ordinary there for August. And again, no sign of any tropical mischief on the model run so far. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.